Okay. These are our little pirates. They're all ready for their new homes. We have 4 girls. Probably between 8 and 9 weeks old now. Oops, we just lost one. Got a human barricade going here. Go play, guys. Go play. Go get the toys. Go get the toys. There you go. We believe they're purebred cockers. We don't know that for a fact. Mom was definitely a purebred cocker, and she came into the shelter already. Well, actually, the puppies were born the day after she came into the shelter. And they appear to be purebred cocker spaniels with their full tails. Uh-oh, somebody gonna go potty over there? You're just playing. Yeah, just playing. Yes. All buff in color.
Go play.
Yeah, these are our puppies.